Hi Ravenclaw class, I'm just going to go through the maths problems that you've been set today by me, okay? So let's start with the first one. I had 15 pencils. Okay, so if I've got that, I'd like you to be circling that 15 pencils. And then once you've circled it, write it down. 15 pencils. I gave 5 away. Okay, so I've got 15 in my hand and I'm giving some away, which means it's going to get smaller. So I'm going to use my take away sign. Or what other word could we call it? Minus, subtract. So I'm going to take away 5. I'm going to take away 5 because I gave 5 away. So I leave my 10 alone and then I've got my ones. Oh, well, I've got to take away all of those ones because I've got to take away 5 of the ones. So I've got 5 ones, take those away, and I'm then left with my 1, 10. Give yourself a tick if you got 10. I'm sure a lot of you got 10, well done. That was just a quick, easy warm-up one. Let's try the next one. I had 12 toy bats. Daddy gave me 3 more. Okay, 12. I'm going to write that down. Obviously, I've circled it first, or I've underlined it on my sheet. And I'm going to be given more, which means I'm going to need an addition sign. Or what else could I call it? Addition, more than, plus 12, and I'm going to plus 3. I can leave my 10s alone again, and I'm going to put the 3 and the 2 together, which I know makes 5, and then I'll put my 10 in front. Give yourself a tick if you got 15. Okay, the next one now is a little bit more tricky, but I know you can have a go at it. I had 27 books. Okay, so I'm going to circle 27, or I'm going to underline it, because 27 is a key number. 27 books. Mummy took away 11. How many books have I got left? So, took away, which I know is going to be take away, or minus, or subtract. Show me the sign. Take away 11 equals. Now, this is where it gets a little bit tricky because I want us to have a go at doing a column method. We've all done this before in Ravenclaw class, but let's just have a little go. So 27 is easier for you because you've got lovely squares in those books that I've sent home. I'm going to put my takeaway sign down here and I'm going to put my 11 directly underneath, making sure that the 1s are in line and the 10s are in line. So I'm going to actually put a T here and a 1 here to remind me this is the 10s and this is the 1s. I'm then going to draw my line, hopefully with a ruler. Sadly, Miss Fisher doesn't have one today. So 7. Okay, show me your 7 fingers. Come on, show me your 7 fingers. Thank you. Take away 1. What have I got left? 6. So directly underneath, I'm going to put 6. See how the numbers are getting smaller? So I've just got 6 1s. Now, I've got 2 10s, which are 20. I'm going to take one of those 10s away, so I'm left with 1 10 here, and my answer is 16. Another way I could do this is I could look at here, and I could take away 1 10 from 27, which I know would mean I'd then have, so 10 away, so I have 27, I'm going to take away 10, which would leave me with 17. But I need to take away that 1 as well, don't I? So then I'd have my 17 and I'd take away 1 more, which would equal 16. 2 ways you can do that. Okay, finally, 1 more. I've got 39 ducks. Daddy gave me 10 more, so 39. Okay, I think I'm going to write that up here actually. 39. And he gave me more, so I know that usually if I get more, I'm going to use my addition sign. Okay, plus 10 more, 10 equals, to show whatever I've got going on here is going to be the same on this side. So 10 plus 39. Do I need to do anything to the 1s? No. I need to add 1 more 10 to this side. Well, I know I can actually count in my 10. So 30, the next 10 would be 40, and then I've got the 9. So I'd have 49. Or I could do the same as what I've done over here with the column method, but I don't think you need to do that. But if you're really stuck, you can. So I've got 39 directly underneath. I'm going to put my 10 and not forgetting to put my plus sign right here. So I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to put these two numbers together. So 9 and nothing, it's going to remain as 9. 30 and 10 more is 40. My answer will still be the same, 49. Well done. Give yourself a tick if you got that answer, and give yourself a tick if you got this answer down here as well. Where are we? 16. Well done again. I'll see you soon.